Hi friends, welcome to Spaceopedia. I am back with a new video. In yesterday's video, we see about Titan, and in today's video, we will discuss about Uranus. So, let's start the video. Uranus. In 1781, the astronomer William Herschel seen through the telescope in his garden in England and saw that he thought was a comet. It turned out to be something much more exciting, a new planet. Uranus is an ice giant, much like Neptune, but tipped on its side. For 2 centuries after Herschel discovered Uranus, very little was learnt about it, except that it has moons, rings, and unusual tilt. Only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, has ever visited the planet, and the pictures it sent back in 1986 revealed a disappointingly boring pale blue globe with a few faint wisps of cloud. Unlike the other gas giant planets, Uranus gives off relatively little heat. It does, however, have a strong but loop-sided magnetic field. Inside Uranus, internal structure of Uranus. Deep inside Uranus, is its core. Uranus core is at its center and possibly made of molten rock, iron, and nickel, with a temperature of more than 5000 degrees Celsius. Upper the core is the layer of its mantle. Its mantle is made up of water, methane, and ammonia combined to form a slushy mixture of ice and liquid in Uranus mantle. At the base of mantle, there may be a sea of diamond. Upside the mantle is its atmosphere. Hydrogen and helium are the main gases in Uranus' atmosphere, but there is also plenty of methane, which gives the planet its pale blue color. Rings of Uranus. Uranus is surrounded by a set of narrow rings, most of which were discovered in 1977 when they passed in front of a star. More rings sharing orbits with their small moons were found later. Storm clouds. Uranus looked featureless when Voyager visited because its south pole was facing the sun. When its equator faces the sun, however, the atmosphere springs to life. Recent images from telescopes reveal horizontal cloud bands like those on Jupiter, violent storms, and giant polar hurricanes. On a roll. Seasons of Uranus. Most planets rotate upright like spinning tops, but Uranus' axis of rotation is tipped over on its side. This gives the planet and its moons extreme seasons. In winter hemisphere, the pole is constant darkness for 42 years, while the summer pole is constant sunlight. Rocky moons. Uranus moon's Miranda looks as though it was smashed by an impact and then rebuilt, but with the pieces falling in the wrong places. As a result, vast cracks formed as its crust resettled, creating the highest cliff in the solar system, which is Verona Rupage, which is well over 5 km tall. Uranian moons. Uranus has 27 moons, and we will see top 5. Largest is Titania. This is the image of Titania. Second largest is Oberon. This is image of Oberon. Third is Umbriel. This is image of Umbriel. Fourth is Ariel. This is image of Ariel. Fifth is Miranda. This is image of Miranda. Uranus has 27 known moons. The largest Titania is 1577 km wide. The smallest are Trincudo and Cupid, which are only about 18 km wide. All the moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and poet Alexander Pope. So let's see some fast facts. First, surface gravity of Uranus is 0.89 if we take surface gravity of Earth as 1. Second, Uranus needs 17.2 hours to complete one rotation around itself. Third, Uranus needs 84 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Fourth, Uranus have 27 known moons. Fifth, one night at Uranus is 42 years long at its poles. Sixth, 63 Earths would fit inside Uranus. Seventh, the number of known rings around Uranus is 13. Eighth, temperature of Uranus atmosphere is minus 224 degrees Celsius. So friends, I hope that you liked information and the video. I will meet you again at 10 p.m. tomorrow. So goodbye and take care.